You like that? Yeah, bet you do. Ah, yes, you are a good monkey. You are a capybara. Something like a bit of momentum to have your fun with. You are a heavy bird, aren't you? Oh, yes you are. Come to me, my boy. Come and we will escape this place. Yes, come to me. You are a good bird. You are a good red panda, eh? You are a beautiful cock. And a beautiful chicken. Very elegant. What a beautiful silver pheasant you are. You have wonderful feathers. Oh, you are a beautiful Nicobar pigeon. What exquisite feathers you have. Wow, it feels like I'm just back in South Africa, in a zoo. You are a lovely bovine. What are you looking at there, friend? Eat your food, it's good for you. This is a very nice anthole. The zoo for kids. I am not interested, for I am not a child. Oh my god, look how beautiful that tree is in the distance. I cannot believe it. Stunning. Is a tune. My goodness, I might have to go in. Fuck, I am kidding, I am no child. Incredible water, tastes just like rice soup, very nice. Oh my god, absolutely incredible. Oh, look at this lovely garden over here. Hey, we are going into the aquarium. Fuck, they have some crazy animals here down in Thailand. Oh, you are a beautiful fish. 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 Oh, you are a beautiful spider, eh? Oh, you are a beautiful fish. 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 Wow, it feels like I am under the water. Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Aye, you are a pretty lion. Very pretty. Just like being back in the home country. Oh, you are a beautiful porcupine. Oh, you are a beautiful elephant. Oh, you are a beautiful giraffe. Beautiful. Oh, you are walking through the jellyfish field in Finding Nemo. Oh wow, beautiful. There is not a single driver in the area to bring me back to my hotel, so I must walk. This is what this has come to. Oh, I have been walking these roads for days now, still no closer to my hotel. Aye, these are some beautiful aunts. I blame Mr. Dictator of the country. Send me a taxi, I have money. Not to complain or anything, but we have a real feel of 39 degrees at the moment. Oh, that is a sick username. Oh, I cannot believe I am walking back for this. Oh, it was definitely worth it. Oh, epic little internet cafe. Oh, this place better save me. If they don't pick up from a shopping mall, I don't know what I will do. Oh, it is all gone. I am devastated. There are 5 different drivers around here, and none of them want to pick me up and bring me to my hotel. It's going to be another 45-minute walk till I get back. I have lost track of what year it is. I've been walking in this 40-degree heat for God knows how long now. But you know what they say, slow and steady wins the race, until a taxi takes its place. Oh, you have done nothing to help me, Mr. Dictator. I have been saved, thank goodness. Well, that looks like the end of my journey today. What an experience. Thank God for the lovely tuk-tuk man driver. Saved my life. Well, looks like that concludes the end of the journey. Thanks to the journey. Ah, fuck. Success. We survived the journey. Brilliant.